Hi everyone. Today let's make delicious and healthy homemade bean burger with a flavorful tomato and onion sauce. This recipe is easy to make and perfect for vegetarians and anyone looking for a tasty meat-free option. So let's get started. First, soak about 650 grams of red kidney beans in water overnight. Then add soaked beans in a pressure cooker. And add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix very well, ensuring there are no lumps. Pressure cook the beans with enough water until soft. Once boiled and cold at room temperature, strain and keep them aside. Keep the strained beans in the strainer for about 10 to 15 minutes so that all the liquid is drained. Red kidney beans look perfect, well drained, and no liquid at all. Let's transfer them in a large bowl. Spread out a little. Now mash the red kidney beans with a potato masher until mostly smooth, just like this. Looks great. Let's make a delicious tempering for our mashed beans. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan. Heat oil on medium heat until moderately warm. Once warm, add minced ginger, spread it out evenly and saute until fragrant. Then add 1 chopped green chili. Stir well for a minute and then add 1 large chopped onion. Saute till onions are soft for about 5 minutes. Then add 4 teaspoons of garlic paste. Saute until onions are golden brown. Then add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder. Combine everything well and cook for another minute. Then add 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar and mix well. Switch off the heat. Add in the prepared tempering to the mashed beans. Add in ½ cup of breadcrumbs. Mix everything well together until well combined. Take a small portion and check to ensure if mixture is not too sticky. If it is, then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of plain flour and mix very well. The mixture now will resemble dough consistency as we mix further. Once it is well combined, make a patty and check again. Wow, this looks perfect. It is not sticking to hands and it is good to go with. Divide the mixture into 8 equal portions and shape them into round patties. Cool patties in fridge for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make a very delicious sauce to add in our bean burgers. Add in 3 tablespoons of oil in the same pan. Then add roughly sliced onions, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 2 chopped jalapeños or 1 green chili. Saute on medium heat until onions are golden brown. Then add in chopped bell pepper and coriander with stalks. Add 3 large tomatoes and cook on medium-high heat. This looks so vibrant and beautiful. Now add 2 teaspoons of Kashmiri red chili powder for that beautiful color. Mix and add salt to taste. Cook tomatoes on medium heat until soft and mushy, stirring occasionally. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of lime juice. Then add 3 teaspoons of brown sugar and mix everything well. Tomatoes have softened and this looks perfect. Remove from heat and cool it down to room temperature. Now let's prepare air-fried potato wedges to go as side with our delicious burgers. Cut 5 large potatoes into wedges, wash them well and dry with a paper towel. Drizzle olive oil and mix evenly. This step ensures proper coating of herbs onto the potatoes when added. Add 1 teaspoon of dry rosemary, 2 teaspoons of Italian seasoning and salt to taste. Using a spoon, mix well until veggies are coated with herbs. Just like this. Pop these in hot air fryer for about 15 to 20 minutes on 200 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat 4 tablespoons of olive oil in a skillet over medium heat. I'm using a non-stick grill pan. Add patties and slightly flatten them in the center. Cook the patties for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown. Look at that amazing golden color. They look so appetizing. Shallow fry all the patties the same way and keep them aside. Sauteed onions and tomatoes have cooled down, so let's grind them to a fine, saucy paste. And no need to add water at this stage. This is perfect consistency. It's not too thick or too thin. Hung curd provides creaminess and balances the sweetness of the sauce with the right amount of acidity. Add 5 tablespoons of the sauce in a bowl and mix this delicious sauce with 3 to 4 tablespoons of hung curd. And adjust salt to taste. Using beater, beat sauce very well. You can also use dry grated cheddar in it as well. Toast the burger buns in a skillet or a toaster. Spread cream cheese on the buns. Place lettuce and bean patty on each bottom bun. Spoon a generous amount of the homemade tomato and onion sauce over the patty. Now add your favorite toppings such as a slice of tomato, cheese, onion, cucumbers, season with salt and pepper. Drizzle chili garlic sauce on top. And close it with the other half of the bun. So, there you have it, a delicious homemade bean burger. Make all the burgers in the same way and enjoy. When assembled, bean burger with tomato and onion sauce creates a balanced blend of flavors and textures. The savory, smoky bean patty is perfectly balanced by the sweet and tangy sauce. And they look absolutely delicious. Veggies are done. Let's add delicious veggies. I'm also adding some baked nachos and serving it with a yogurt dip. Let's have a taste. Tastes amazing with that dip. Can't wait to try the burger. The toasted burger bun adds a delightful crunch, creating a mouth-watering combination that is both satisfying and very refreshing. You can also add a little bit of variation with the corn chips by adding chopped tomatoes, the prepared sauce and onions along with the yogurt dip on top. That tastes super delicious as well. Thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to Culinary Crossroads for more delicious recipes. So see you next time.